I quit. So, I resigned from my work. Isinantabi ko muna yung professional career ko, guys, for my family. Hello, tita and tito! Good afternoon! Welcome back!
To our channel.
Umiiyak to siya, guys, kasi nag-start na akong mag-vlog. At gusto niya siya yung magsabi ng welcome back to our channel. So, ayan. Happy now?
Yeah.
Good. So, it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And meron kaming lakad. Where are we going? Do you know?
Yeah. To the library.
No, we're not going to the library first. Punta muna kami ng post
The post office.
Yeah. What are we doing in the post office?
I don't know.
No?
I gained this picture.
That's right. So last time nung pumunta kami, guys, ay hindi nakuna ng picture yung ating baby Celine kasi sobrang na-upset siya.
Poopy.
Parang nabaguhan nga siya. Pinahiga kasi siya sa sahig. Tapos yung picture sa kanya ay gumaganon ba. Sobrang iyak niya, guys. Very upset talaga siya. Kaya sabi ko, babalik na lang kami. So, since Ate Paris doesn't have school today, ay sabi ko, pupunta kami and see if, do you think you can make Celine smile na?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yes? So, we'll try our luck today, guys, kung makakuha ng picture. Kasi kailangan na talaga. We have to, anak. No? There's no choice. Will you be a good girl to Mama and Ate Paris? We'll take a photo for your passport? Huh? Ah, shush. Will you be a good girl for Mama to Ate Paris?
Okay.
Okay. Where's Daddy?
At work.
At work? Guys, tingnan nyo, guys. We noticed talaga, Daddy Mike and I noticed na lumaki na sa Ate Paris. Have a look at her face. Have a look at her. See? Look, she's not, seriously, she's not a baby anymore. Like a young lady. Dalaging ding na jud, guys. Seriously, oh. You're a beautiful girl ni Mama, eh. Big girl naman ka na ko, eh. What's wrong?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
What's wrong with your nose?
Okay.
Higa ka lungat? Siya, tita, andito your outfit, be. Can you stand up there? Oh, tingnan nyo ang kanyang pa-outfit today. Be, stand up.
I like this one.
Do you want me to put that on your shirt? Okay. Siya, tita, andito your outfit. Uy! May pa-jeans siya ngayon. Oh, diba?
I'm too big.
You are. Di makita
I
na
heard
mamaya.
face.
Will you show it later na? Come down na.
Boo.
They can see because you're too big.
Ma.
Anyways, alis na kami, guys, kasi anong oras na, oh, tapos gusto ko pa to silang dalhin sa mamaya sa library mamaya para basa-basa ng libro or makapaglaro doon.
Put it on.
Okay, I'll put it on your shirt, okay?
Look now.
Show tita and tito what you've got there. Show closer. Careful, ha? Because there's sharp stuff there. Di mag-focus na. Oy, di mag-focus ay. Parang ano siya, guys, brooch. Ang brooch. Gusto niya ipalagay dito sa
I bet me.
Hang on, Celine, careful na ka. Don't touch. Don't touch, because it's very sharp. Ano you hold her? Ah!
Stop. Calm down. Calm down.
There you go. Finish. It's a dog and it's very...
I want you to take it off. Take it off.
It's alright. Again.
Take it off. I don't want to.
Matakot na siya, guys. Natusok. Mama will just do it on Monday. Sit down, anak, be. Put you down quickly, anak, ha? Put you down quickly. Play this.
Wait.
Mama will just put on hers, yeah? Do you want it? Oh. We didn't put it properly before, nak. That's why. But this one. See? Oh, diba? Cute, guys. Pa-outfit ni Mama rin niya, guys. Ganito. Ha? Saan ka pupunta? Work? Hindi naman, guys. Ano to siya? Parang, ano na blaze? Casual ba? Daily. You want it? Do you want me to put it here?
But it hurt me.
That was before because Celine was... Being naughty. I'll make sure it's not anymore, okay? Ba't ulit si mama, guys? Better? Better? Show me. Wow. Huh? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll go now. Ulit na si Celine. Celine is getting angry now. She's throwing stuff. Love you.
I think he's getting.
Love you.
I think he's.
I love you.
I love you. I
Alright.
think he's getting angry.
Yeah.
He's getting a little bit angry.
Celine wants to go now. Nak, you're such a big girl na, nak. Oh, look at you now. Beautiful
I
girl.
got long hair
You do.
from the shampoo.
Yeah. Did you like the shampoo? So, nag-shower pala kaming dalawa, guys. Celine, shower kaming dalawa. At alam niyo, wala nang oras si mami niyo magsuklay-suklay kasi sobrang hard itong isuklay yung hair ko. Kaya ginanyan ko na lang kaagad, guys. Mom life.
My arm will go down.
Okay, let's go down now.
Let's
Celine! Celine, we're going now, Celine.
I want to take the dog off now. I want to take the dog off now.
Wait, 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 wait.
A few moments later. Time check, guys. It's 2:15 in the afternoon at balik kami dito sa sasakyan. Finally, after 1 million shots, may nakuha kaming pwede. So, ayan, ang ating baby Celine. Umiiyak pa siya niya. Grabe, guys. Grabe na talaga yung ginawa namin. Sobrang hard work talaga. Alam nyo kay Ate Paris before, ha? Pag take picture, that's it. Finished. This one, susbuti na lang si Kuya dyan ay kakilala ko na ba? Kasi palagi akong pupunta sa post office na yan. Ano siya, kahit 3 times, pabalik-balik siya sa loob. Tinitingnan yung picture, tapos chine-check kung okay ba. Yung una, pangalawa, ay sobrang laki ng bibig ni Baby Celine. Sabi niya, pero ina-accept naman daw ng passport na passport place. Kasi chine-check lang nila online ba. Pero sabi ko, yeah, let's just do that if that's, that's the best we can do. Tapos sabi niya, let's do another one. Uy, anak ko. Third time. So, third time lucky, guys. Andito na kami sa... Where are we now, nak? Library. So, ayan, park namin yung sasakyan dyan. Excited na siya mag...
The library has books.
Yeah? Can you read that? Can you read? Huh? Can you read or no?
No. I can read.
Yeah, but you still love books. So, yung nakaka-park lang dito, guys, ay yung sa library na customized.
You can bring skateboards and bikes.
That's right, exactly.
What's the money you get from buying a car?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. The other way around, sweetie. This way. Here are the kiddos. And Celine's reading the book.
I read my book.
Okay. So we're reading this book for Ate Paris. It is
I'm
The
not-
Bad Butterfly.
But can he turn to a butterfly?
Hmm?
Can he turn to a butterfly?
Yeah. Okay. Where were we now?
Where are they?
In the group, there is a girl called Lola.
That is the same famous line boy. Lola, right? Lola Karen is Lola.
Yeah, no, Lola, but Lola means grandma. But her name here in the book is Lola.
She's a grandma.
That's just her name. Buang ka.
Boom.
Buang ka.
Ow.
Come. Lola's tutu has sparkles on it, and Billy feels a teensy bit jealous.
And
Billy
her
wishes she had a
and
tutu with sparkles.
and Billy was a little bit sad he doesn't get one.
That's right.
Alright, girls, says Miss Dainty. Have a look at Celine. Allah, tuara. We can't be so loud here. We're in the library, okay? We have to be quiet when we're in the library. Because it's library.
A few moments later.
Time check, guys. It is 4:35 ng hapon. So, tapos na kami sa library. As you can see, balik sa sakyan na naman tayo. The Paris. You can see from there. See? Where are we?
We're just at having our food.
That's right. Dito kami sa labas ng McDonald's. Bumili ako ng Happy Meal ni Ate Paris. And then, yeah, nuggets for her. And I've got cheeseburger. At kung hindi nyo natatanong,
And I have my
Ayan.
toys.
oh, which one did you get? Oh, is that? Okay, oh, the same thing as the one you had before. For the bag, yeah? Is that for the bag?
No, that's not for the bag.
Oh, not too loud enough.
It's not for
Celine
the
is
bag.
sleeping. Ayan, oh.
It's not for the bag.
What is that for?
It's for a Christmas tree.
Oh, is it?
Because it has a circle lane in it.
Yeah.
And
So, yung gagawin namin ngayon, guys, is kakain lang kami. Kakain lang kami ngayon. And then, we'll go drive back to where we were. Malapit sa library. Kasi, doon yung ferry ni Daddy Mike from work. Doon siya mag-stop. So, si Daddy Mike nga nag-work sa office today. So, kikitain namin siya doon. Pipick upin namin siya doon. And then we might have dinner somewhere. Or do something tonight. Kasi, why not? And yeah, sobrang very rare lang na may ginagawa kami after work ni Daddy Mike. So we'll see, you know, we might just go out for siguro dinner outside. Ewan ko lang kasi kumakain na kami. Mabubusog na kami nito. But this is snacks. But yeah, so the library was good. Did you like it there, Nak?
Yeah, there was a friend for me.
Mm-hmm.
Someone say hi to me.
Yeah, Paris my friends. They played tago-tagoan. Ikaw nang may tago-tagoan. Maliwanag ang buwan.
I can tell Mali, another one.
Natatawa tayo sa ganyan, guys, kasi kapag sinasabi niya mag-hide and seek kami, yan yung kinakanta ko, yung tago-tagoan, maliwanag ang buwan. Kaya minsan sinasabi niya, tago-tagoan, pataka lang sa yung lyrics. Can you sing it again?
Which one?
Tago-tagoan.
Another one. Daddy, Pamilya.
Goodness gracious. Ang aking buhok ay medyo nag-dry na siya dyan, guys. So, pero sobrang hirap talaga sobrang hirap isuklayin ba. So hayaan nyo na, ginanyan ko na lang.
And I wanted to go back.
Yeah, we will go back next week. So tinanong ko sila sa library kung okay ba nadalhin ko sila kasi meron silang events, guys, every Tuesday and Friday ata. Meron silang parang rhyme time na pang infants. Meron din silang mga story time for toddlers. So ngayon, tinanong ko sila kung toddler yung story time, pwede ko bang madala yung infant, tapos vice versa ba sa infant, pwede ko bang madala yung toddler kasi alam nga namang iwan ko yung isa. Sabi nila, it's okay lang naman daw. So I'm very excited for that. We have something to do now. Parang meron ng apart from Paris's kindi, yeah, meron na kaming parang plano ba na gagawin, nakasit na plano. Kasi mom life, guys, mom life. Alam niyo ba, meron akong chika sa inyo. Isa sa mga pinakamalaking desisyon na ginawa ko sa buhay ko, guys. And yeah, share ko sa inyo. Kasi why not, diba? Andiyan naman kayo, alam niyo naman lahat ng mga pangyayari sa buhay namin. So last week I spoke to my boss. So diba, next month June ay due na ako to go back to work. Tapos na yung 12 month na maternity leave ko. Oh, nice.
I like the big one.
That's very cute. What you gonna do with it?
You can put in your pack or your little dog.
Nag-usap kami ni Daddy Mike ng mabuti about me going back to work. Kasi yung napag-usapan nga namin is, at yung sinabi ko sa boss ko, na hindi ako babalik ng full time kasi mahihirapan ako. So, napagkasunduan namin na pag bumalik ako next month is balik lang ako ng part time. Hindi talaga tumakaan tong batang ito. Part-time na 2 days a week. So very happy kasi nag-agree sila na okay lang ganun na part-time akong bumalik. But then as it's getting closer, nare-realize ko guys na I think I'm getting too hard on myself. Na I push myself too hard. Kasi kahit si Daddy Mike guys, sinabi niya sa akin na, you know, just being around the house, pag nag-work from home siya, and, you know, seeing me with the kids, and that, siguro, kahit na part-time, like 2 days a week, mahihirapan ako guys. Knowing the fact that baby Celine, it's a baby na kailangan mo ng constant na attention. Kasi, unlike Ate Paris before guys, nung baby pa si Ate Paris, I just put her down sa sahig and she will play, she will entertain herself. But, yeah, baby Celine, gusto niya ng attention all the time. And, ayokong, even though yung boss ko, yung manager ko, sabi nila, we understand that you have kid, pag hindi mo magawa yung work mo during daytime, you can always do it during nighttime. Which, I was very, very grateful guys, kasi alam nyo, hindi lahat ng kumpanya mag-o-offer, like they will work around you, para mag-work lang yung, you know, relationship ko with them. And, yun na nga, yes, if, you know, if I don't work during the day, kasi nandyan si baby Celine, at I do it during the night, Celine, you know, wakes up during the night as well. I feed her and all. And then, if nag-work ako during the night, and then, anong oras na ako mag-start, anong oras na ako matapos, then it means, sa umaga, I'm so tired. It means, I can't look after my kids very well. Kasi, you know, parang drain na ako. Wala nang energy si mami nyo. So, even though, gustuhin ko man na, parang, bumalik sa workforce, but just to, you know, like, obviously for financial reasons, diba? Pero for ano lang, sanity ko na rin kasi I understand na, you know, I was a full-time worker, you know, before I became like a mother. So nasanay ako sa ganun, and then this is a totally different life na ngayon na, you know, may mga kids na ako, especially 2 kids guys, hindi lang isa, 2. So, Daddy Mike and I decided na, sa ano talaga guys, yung sa akin na, ako nag-decide, Daddy Mike just gave me parang, ano, antawag ito, suggestions, or kung ano yung sa tingin niya. And, yeah, napag-isip-isipan ko na, he is right. Na, I'm being too hard on myself. If possible naman na mag-stop muna ako ng work to be a mother to my kids, to look after my kids and my family, why not, diba? And I'm just very lucky that we're in that stage, or we're in the situation na hindi talaga kailangan na parang mag-work talaga ako para mabuhay namin, mataguyod namin yung family namin. We're very, you know, we're very lucky in that sense. Kaya yun, kinausap ko yung manager ko last time. Very ano pa rin guys. Natawa ako kasi parang inisip namin yung isa't isa ng manager ko at the same time. Kasi nung i-message ko sana siya na, you know, do you have chance next week? I wanna speak to you, ganyan. Nag-message siya sa akin na, oh, hi Jovi, how's everything going? How's the kids? Parang ano rin siya. It's another way of saying, you know, what's up, what's going on. And then I said, oh, it seems like you read my mind. I meant to call you to talk about me going back to work. So yun, napag-usapan namin guys na ganito yung decision ko ngayon. I quit. So I resigned from my work. Isinantabi ko muna yung professional career ko guys for my family. Kasi at the moment, my family needs me the most. And yung mga kids guys, hindi sila magstay as kids and baby forever. Tulog na sa likod. They will grow up and, you know, in the blink of an eye, lalaki na yan sila. parang siguro kahit ngayon nga guys, when I look at Paris, sometimes sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, where did the time go? Kasi ibang-iba na, parang dalaga na ang ating Ate Paris ngayon. Like, parang kailan lang, super baby ko yan siya. Tapos ngayon, ginakausap na ako na parang parang matanda na, 'di ba? So gusto kong i-cherish muna yung time ngayon na bata pa sila. And well, hindi ko maiwasan na malungkot kasi as mentioned, I was working since what year, 'di ba? Nung pagkarating ko dito sa Australia, at ngayon kailangan kong isuko yung career ko para maging full-time mom. And sometimes kasi guys, alam mo ba yung parang nasanay ka na may tinatanggap kang sahod the end of the month, ganun. So pero that's nothing naman guys compared to, hindi naman sa it's not all about the sahod guys. It's more on like me getting out of the house, going to the office, be with my workmates, and like yung career mo guys. But then as sabi ko na nga, ibang buhay na to. Ito yung ginawang buhay namin ni Daddy Mike. At when you have your family, your own family, you're building your own family, then you have to do some sacrifices. At ito yung gagawin ko guys. And you know what, I'm just very happy that I'm able to do it for my kids, for me and for my kids. Kasi kung papipiliin talaga ako guys, I would love to stay at home and look after the kids and look after the house, look after my family, compared to like working. Ang ginawa ko lang, ang sinabi ko sa manager ko, sabi ko, yun ang nga yung rason ko before. Hindi ako makakabalik muna ng work kasi ganito nga ganyan. And also guys, kasi pag nag-work kasi ako guys, parang focus din ako sa work. Sabi ko sa boss ko, kilala nyo ako ever since nag-start ako sa kumpanyang to, like nearly 7 years ago. Kilala ako sa pagiging maganda yung work ethics, maganda yung reputasyon ko sa work. Like, I work hard, I do the right thing and everything. At ngayon na meron akong kids, kahit nasabihin nila na, like, we can work around you, you can do your work during the night kapag hindi mo magawa sa umaga kasi andyan si baby Celine. Sabi ko sa kanila, gusto ko pag nag-work ako, I give my 110%. Ayoko nang hindi ko nagagawa yung work ko kasi I'm being a mom also at the same time. Inaalagaan ko yung anak ko. Gusto ko pag nag-work ako, work. Pag naging nanay ako, gusto kong maging parang nanay din ako na nagagawa ko talaga yung full-time as nanay. So ayoko, sabi ko sa manager ko na ayoko masira yung rapport ko na yun na maganda. Kasi ayoko pag kasi nag-work ako tapos just baby hindi ko nagawa ng mabuti yung work ko, 'di ba? So parang naging negative yung aking magiging feedback nila para sa akin. So ayoko nang ganun. So sabi ko sa kanya, at the moment wala akong mapapangakong time kung kailan ako babalik ng work. But hopefully when the time is right, pag lumaki na yung mga kids, Ate Paris goes to school next year, baby Celine, I can put in childcare next year kasi kung isa lang, we'll see how it goes. But if that means that I have to wait for a couple of years bago bumalik ng workforce, then be it. I am ready for it. Hindi naman sa guys, ang tawag dito, I'm still young. I can still, sabi ko Daddy Mike, I can still go back to workforce in 3 years time or 2 years time. I'll be able to find a job. And again, dito sa kumpanyang pinagtatrabahuan ko guys, they've been really really good to me. And sabi ko sa kanila, hopefully pag ready na ako, ready na lahat, ready na yung mga kids, there's something available para sa akin, it would be nice. But kung wala man, I can always apply for another job. For sure there's a job out there for me. And umiyak ako guys, like hindi ako umiyak dahil lungkot ako kasi gusto ko talagang magtrabaho, hindi ganun. Umiyak ako kasi parang nasanay ako na nagtrabaho full time, and then now I had to let go of my career. But you know, very naman yung kapalit guys, ito yung career na walang makaka anong tawag sa Tagalog yun guys, walang makakatupong walang makakatupong, walang makakalebel, ganon. Kasi ito talaga yung career. Being a mother is the the most hard job, but the best career ever. So I'm very happy being a mom. I'm very happy and blessed to have these two beautiful girls here. Tulog na yung dalawa. Kaya, yun. Sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, kasi nga 'di ba, sanay ako na meron akong nakikitang peso. Ayun bang, hindi ako sanay na parang nasa bahay lang wala akong ginagawa. So sabi ko kay Daddy Mike na ika-career ko na yung aking online selling. Magla-live selling na ako nito, guys. My goodness. Ever since naman guys, kahit nung nag-work ako full-time before, mahilig na talaga akong online selling sa eBay or Facebook Marketplace and all. So I love selling clothes. As you can see, tingnan niyo naman ang mami niyo, parang saan ang meeting, ha? Pero alam niyo guys, kahit walang meeting, bakit hindi magsuot ng ganito, 'di ba? Casual look pero kagalang-galang. So, yeah, sapatos and clothes, ganun. So, ika-career ko na yun guys since full-time na akong sa bahay ngayon na hindi ko na iniisip ngayon yung work. Yun na yung gagawin ko. So, bili na kayo guys sa akin kung may bibenta ako. Para merong si mami niyo pambili ng gatas. Hindi pala gatas kasi pinapadede ko pa napis na lang. But yeah, kasi guys, hindi talaga ako sanay na wala akong ginagawa, yung wala akong nakita. Kasi alam nyo, may family ako sa Pilipinas na inaanuhan ko rin, binibigyan ko rin ng mga pangailangan nila doon. So nung nag-work ako full time, yes, I send monthly para sa pangailangan din nila doon. But then nag maternity leave ako, hindi na talaga siya regularly na monthly talaga yung pagpadala ko kasi wala naman akong tinatanggap na sahod, 'di ba? So every now and then my savings, and also yung mga binebenta ko online and all, yung mga kung anik-anik lang diyan, at least doon natutulungan ko sila pag may kailangan, may tuition ng kapatid ko, o hindi nabayaran yung kuryente, or yung mga ganun, yung mga pangailangan din nila na konti doon ba, at least may bigay din ako. Kasi alam niyo guys, ever since na kahit sa Pilipinas ako guys, nung nag-work na ako, ko talaga yan yung family ko, covered ko talaga yan sila. So buti na nga lang doon ngayon kasi yung sister ko, she has her own little business na rin. So siya yung nagka-cover sa akin habang hindi pa kaya ng ate niya. Pero as mentioned naman guys, kung meron ako konti, pag may nabenta akong ganyan, I make sure na natutulungan ko rin sila konti. But also I make sure na meron din dito yung family ko, diba? Kasi nga diba, kailangan mo muna tulungan yung sarili mo before ka makatulong sa iba. Kasi pag wala ka, ay hindi ka rin makakatulong sa sa family mo. So kailangan tulungan muna natin yung sarili natin, guys. Kinausap ko nga yung bestie ko, sabi ko nga ganito ganyan, nag-usap na kami ng manager ko, not coming back to work. And yung iniyakan ko guys is that parang nag-hit na sa akin na I'm officially unemployed. Unemployed, oh my goodness. Professionally unemployed, guys. Alam nyo, mga nanay dyan, alam nyo kung gaano kahirap maging nanay, no? Kaya Yeah, saludo ako sa mga nanay dyan. Mga sakripisyong ginawa niyo for your kids.
And paper. That's all we need. For to make
We're
one.
here na guys. Nandito na si Daddy Mike. So, dyan yung ferry station, oh. Ayan. Nilagay lang ni Daddy Mike sa sasakyan yung kanyang bag. Ayan. Maglalakad kami. Doon, we'll find something to eat.
I will
Dito
do
mo
the
itong babysit.
cutting the paper and drawing it.
Okay.
And you do the pen.
Okay. I do the writing?
Yeah, I'll do the star. I'll do the heart.
Okay. Alright. If you say so, Bella.
I'll do a star.
How about Selene? What are you gonna do, Lini?
Maybe he can be daddy's team.
Huh?
Maybe he can be daddy's team.
Okay.
Daddy can be the paper.
Okay, alright.
I'll do the cutting, and Daddy will do the drawing too. And Sing can do a drawing, and you do the pen.
Oh.
And we will do the drawings in the top.
Yes, ma'am.
That's mega beautiful. Hey,
Yes, ma'am.
maybe this might be my boss name. Nah, that's 2, 3, 0.
Yeah, that's not your bus? Sabi niya, di ba, guys? Yan, may mga bus na dumating dito kanina. Sabi niya, oh, that's our bus. No, it's not a bus. Alam niya, guys, kung ano yung bus na ikakatch. Buti po siya, alam niya kung ano yung bus na ikakatch from ours, papuntang city. Ambulance. Oh, really?
So next Saturday after.
Oh. Yes, dali na. Say hi, dali.
Huh?
Hello.
Hello.
morning.
Guess what you did? You left the car window open.
Did I? Which one? My side?
My side.
Which side?
My side.
Really?
It's completely open, yeah.
Oh yeah, cause I talked to you about the pram.
Give it a break, Paris.
Are you cold?
I need a jacket.
There? I can use this one. Oh, mama. Oh, pakurog-kurog lagi na. Kakain na to siya, guys. Binihisan ko na ng kanyang pangtulog, oh. Ating Ate Paris at the same. Iwan ko sa kanya kung tumatawa o umiiyak.
Boy.
It's 10:30 na ng gabi. Tulog na ang ating baby Celine. And Ate Paris is now watching TV still. Yan, naisipan ko guys na i-open to. Naalala ko, binili ko pala to siya the other day. Matagal pa naman to mag-off. Sabi, ano ba to? Best before. Come. I'm opening this one. Coconut. Ali! Coconut kalungat. Okay, no, I'm just saying. I'm just showing to you. You don't need to eat. Basta yung nakalagay dito is matagal pa mag-off pa. Come. Ewan ko, madali ba ito siya i-open, guys? Baka mabasag ang ating sahig ba? O yung table. Ito ang ating sundang.
But I need coconut cause of you want me to try?
I want to drink the water. I want to eat the meat. We'll see.
But I want to drink the water too.
Do you?
Then make sure the left. Make sure the right.
Mauga naman ang iyong kumbos. Uy, pasensya na ang ating buhok guys. Kasi, di ba basa ito kanina? Tapos binalibod ko na kasi hindi ko lang sinuklay. Ngayon ko lang siya nilugay.
Okay.
Ano na. It's very hard man ako. I think we have to do it outside now. It's gonna make a lot of noise here.
Okay, you can do it outside, okay?
Tomorrow we will.
Cause it's not really sunny. Just now, not sunny now.
Yeah, we'll do it tomorrow, okay?
Okay?
It's gonna be tomorrow.
Cause it's gonna spill everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna spill. And we won't be able to get.
Ngayon lang pala ako natapos mag-edit ng video para may upload tayo bukas. So, ayan, oh, it's uploading na. I don't know, kita ba? Hindi siya kita, guys. But, ayan, it's uploading na, 26%. So, bukas ay may upload tayo. But, pagpasensyahan niyo na, guys, ako yung nakikita niyo mga upload natin ay late. Kasi, para bang natambak na yung mga videos ko. Tsaka pag may time lang akong mag-edit, tsaka ko lang na-edit. And then, tsaka ko lang na-upload. Kaya, ito, anong araw na ngayon. Tapos, yung video natin ay, andito pa yung mami ni Daddy Mike. Kaya, yeah. I hope it's okay with you guys. Hindi real time talaga yung ating videos. But at least, totoo yung ating mga videos, ha. Hindi siya, char-char. Anyways, I'm just gonna end the vlog here now, guys, kasi matutulog na si mami niyo maghilamos. Agay, sukla na aking buhok. It will take, tingnan niyo, tingnan niyo. I'm so looking forward for next weekend kasi meron akong appointment for my hair after a long time. Basta, before ko pinanganak si baby Celine, that was the last time na ako ng buhok ko. Kaya, super excited for this coming Saturday. Okay, so, thank you to everyone na patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. I'm really grateful, guys, dahil nandyan pa rin kayo kahit na hindi tayo regular na nag-upload. So, I just wanna do a quick shout out. Hindi ko man kayo maisa-isa, guys, but you know how I feel. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. My shout out to Maricar Castaneda, Arlene Bernardo, Benilda Maramot, Nilda Islay, Feli Ilamparo, Lenny Langit, Jean Bagsik, Claudine Wade, Claudine's Kitchen, Jovi Aglugob, Edna Fordrew in Arizona, USA, Boogie Woogie, Carrie Faltiquera, Fe Guarnes, Mary Ann, Mami Rose Abalie, hello po, Mami Rose, Emily Margie Tambayap, Cinderella Shoes, Janzi Pinay Australia, Fe Guarnes, and Elizabeth Crisostomo. Nak, do you wanna say bye, Nak? Come. That's about it for today's video.
Tommy Luca's birthday.
Ah, yeah, next weekend.
And Jason 7 sleeps because he's sick.
Ay, sinasabi niya, guys, yung friend niya sa kanyang kindergarten, he is sick, but it's supposed to be his birthday celebration tomorrow, but he's sick, so they're not doing it until next weekend, yeah?
Yeah, Jason 7 sleeps is better. 7 sleeps.
7 sleeps. So we'll end the vlog now.
Oh no, I got chicken pox.
Wait, don't say that. That's not nice.
Okay, I'm just joking. I just have a...
Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Bye!
careful. Bye.